Okay, this is a video of my stock scanner. Obviously, we have the obvious imports, and we have the list, and we have a list of cryptos. So what it does is it loops through 500 times, and we're going to use the 5-day, 5-minute time period. And this is the moving averages, MA29 and MA44. And these are the comparisons that we're going to do. So let me explain these comparisons. Go here with the stock. So what it does is the first condition, there's three conditions. The first condition looks at the MA, looks at like MA29, like right here, and subtracts it from MA44, and then 10 minutes back, it does the same thing, subtracts MA29 from MA44, and the third time around it does the same thing where it subtracts MA29 from MA44. As you can see right here, this is it. The MA29 1 from 44, it's comparing to the sixth one back. And then from the seventh one, right here, it's comparing to the 12th one. And, well, you know what? I could probably change that. But anyways, I'll look at that later. And the second line is similar. We want to make sure that it's going up. So let me get back to the stock here. So what we're doing is we're subtracting 1 point from another, like from here back to here. And so yeah, obviously make sure it's going up. We're subtracting MA29 from 44. That's a positive number. And then the third line is we're subtracting MA29 1 from MA29 6, and that is to ensure that it is going up. Because what happens if that line wasn't there, you would end up catching this. And it would catch this as well as that. So you would end up with stocks going up and down in your list. So yeah, so that's what we do on the third line right here. Subtract MA29 1 from MA29 6. And that's to make sure that it is going up. So we ended up putting, if all three of these conditions are met, then we put this on the buy list. And here is just the opposite. If it's going down, it ends up on the sell list. So right here, we can take a look at the stocks right now. Obviously, all these stocks are going down. And ZEC is let's see if we can go down here, find ZEC. It is not on that list. Anyways, well, and I'm saving them over here to this buy-sell list so I can look back in the past. So this is run 0, everything is selling. And this is run 1, obviously everything is selling. And but that's not always the case. There's moments where sometimes in the middle of the night where all these start going up at the same time. I have caught it that way. I've caught it sometimes in the middle of the night and bought into it and made money. And it's not foolproof, but it works pretty good. So that's it in a nutshell. And if you have any suggestions for improvements and if you want, put this to give it, improvements to, say, if you wanted to do notifications, leave some comments and tell me what you think. That's it.